Okay, now that breakfast is done, I can get into the main part of this video for you guys. This series is called In My Healthy Girl Lifestyle, but that doesn't always mean you have to go to the gym to work out, you have to be lifting weights. It can be as simple as going for a walk, or one of my favorites nowadays, riding a skateboard. This portion of the video is sponsored by Pennyboard, and I am so excited to be working with them. Last year, I started learning how to ride a longboard and a skateboard, and this year, I got my own. It is pink. It is the Cactus Wanderlust 36-inch pink and like red wheeled longboard, and I'm so excited to ride this. I unboxed it on my TikTok right here. You guys can go watch that, and it's also on Instagram. If you ever want to see like behind the scenes, more type of content, follow my TikTok and Instagram. All my stuff is all there. Last year, my boyfriend was teaching me how to ride his longboard. It was like a brown one, and I was starting to get the hang of it, so then I went to go buy my own, and it was like a mini cruiser, but that one was much smaller and it was way harder to do turns. So now that I have a Pennyboard, I'm so excited to actually be able to like turn and stuff. So let's go be active and ride a skateboard or a Pennyboard. Okay guys, it's been a while, so don't judge me too hard.
Toasting while coasting, we drink to our success. We drinking while vibing, the sunlight feeling blessed. No shooting star can replace my strong will of fire. So let's plan another.
Why am I out of breath?
It turned like we're retired. Now we are grinding, make money. Don't got time for y'all sunny. Spending time on paying bills. Friday nights we got cheap thrills. I gotta focus. Don't got time to make jokes now, bruh. Can you hold it? Then leave me in the smoke now. Liquor locker on repeat.
Good morning guys, it's a new day. I'm gonna go see my friend, but first I want to show you the sweater I just thrifted. I didn't really thrift it, I got it off Facebook Marketplace, so technically it's still secondhand, but I didn't like thrift it from a thrift store. But it's the Lululemon Define jacket. It's like the BBL jacket that was on TikTok all last year and a bit of this year, but more so like last year. This is what it looks like. I had a little TikTok that I just made. I'll link it like here for you guys or something, but it came from Facebook Marketplace like I just said, and it had like a really weird odor slash scent. It kind of just smelled like damp laundry that just never fully dried properly. So I had it, well I didn't do it, my mom did it like for me, nice luckily, but it was baking soda and just a bunch of detergent, and then we left it overnight, and the smell's like 90% gone now. I mean, it's still kind of there, but you can't really notice unless you're literally like so up close to it. But I just sprayed it with some perfume, so it already masked the scent. But this is what it looks like. I don't even know if you guys care about the whole scent thing. Maybe you should just stop talking. Oh my god. Anyways, I love this jacket because it just like snatches your waist in and it fits nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to PetSmart today. I'm gonna go get some dog food for my dog Peaches, and then we'll see what else comes throughout the day. But for the meantime, I've just been doing a bit of work on my computer, so yeah.
It's been a few hours, so now I'm gonna go get bubble tea because bubble tea is also self-care. Hold on. You guys like my keychain? I got dragged all over Instagram for it. I'm eating a haichu. I made it! Not like I have far to go though. When's your concert? June 1st? This is my drink. I got a large mango Yakult, 30% sugar. I know they come in like little cardboard things, but they're so hard to break sometimes, especially when they give you the cardboard straws. They're just so hard to break the plastic, but can you guys even hear me? I did it. I'm at PetSmart now. I bought little dog treats for Peaches when I got home. They're greeny, she loves them, but I'm looking at the guinea pigs. This one looks like Peaches. That's me. Me as a guinea pig. Just sit and stare. Wow. Andy's doing my Korean Duolingo lessons. I failed at them.
Oops.
That sounds exact same as all the others. This is my new lip gloss. You're done?
So easy.
Damn, so I couldn't get past that one.
133. The fuck?
I don't know, it's been like 4 months of my life. I got my Diamond Platinum League highlight and then I fell Ate it. Wait, I don't even know if I told them we're going to a thrift store. I'm at TNT now. I'm gonna pick some out. Teriyaki salmon onigiris. That was a mistake. Just got out of TNT. Here's a quick haul. First is an onigiri. This is teriyaki and salmon. This is another teriyaki and salmon. This is, what is this, eel? This is an eel one. Where did that one go? One more teriyaki and salmon. And then I got flakes to season white rice. And it has a little blue cat on it. So thank you for my haul. I'm at Winners now, and I found a Minecraft lamp. This is a Fox one, and the little light switch is it's a little hard. Or there's a bee one. The bee one was really tempting because I love the little Minecraft bees. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get the Fox. I think it's cooler. I just bought it. This is my Fox lamp. I'll show you guys it set up when we get home, or when I get home. Hello you guys, just got out of the shower. I'm going to show you guys a quick skincare routine before we wrap up this video. Lately, I have been using toners. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. There we go. I'm not 100% sure what this does. I think it just shrinks pores, but apparently pores also don't shrink. I don't know. Skincare confuses me so much, but I like the scent of this, so I use it. I'm not 100% sure if I really need it, but it's fine. I just put that on the nose because I do get like blackheads there, and a bit on the cheeks. My cheeks are so sensitive, so just a bit. And then on the chin, and then any leftover goes around the forehead. And I do this at night though because it has niacinamide in it, I think, or oh, it's hyaluronic acid, but it says apply sunscreen daily after use, so I kind of just apply it at night to be safe versus, you know, in the sun in the daytime. And then once that is all rubbed in, I then followed up with my favorite moisturizer ever. It's the Nivea Essentials Plus Soothing Day Cream. It has SPF 15 in it, and this is my favorite stuff. I was on a whole fight on Instagram about my life. People were like, oh my god, you can't use this Nivea cream and then not cleanse your face. And it's like, this cream literally just like, it sinks into my skin. It doesn't do anything after that. Like, it doesn't clog my pores at all. My pores are fine. I don't know, people are so obsessed with pores on the internet. I'm like, bro, it's not that big of a deal. Like, everyone's skin is different. What works for me can completely break out your skin and vice versa. So literally, at the end of the day, I know my skin best. And while I do appreciate helpful comments every now and then, like if someone wants to tell me what a toner actually does, let me know. But this works for my skin, and my skin has never been better. So then I go in with a little lip mask, and this is the Sweet Dreams Gummy Bear Lip Mask from Glowiest. I did a video with them a while back, but this stuff is so good. My Laneige one is at my boyfriend's house. It's not even a full one. It's literally like the birthday ones you get, but I just apply a thick layer of this at night. And there we go. That is my nighttime skin routine. And then sometimes I put on my Rosavere cream for my rosacea, but it's actually been decent lately, so I only apply it when it like flares up.